This week on Viterbi News Now. We cover the threat of wildfires this summer with the highest temperature on record in Death Valley, and heat waves in many parts of the country. USC Viterbi engineers are applying their scholarship to prevent the spread of wildfires that have devastated communities all across the world. ISI's Yolanda Gill and Bistrav Dilkina of the Center for AI in Society are working on AI tools to help firefighters with controlled burns. And Asad Abrai is developing AI-powered methods for improving wildfire forecasting. The next story is all about our students. Chemical engineering student Benjamin Hacker was the lead on an article in the premier journal related to brain injury. Working with Professor Andre Aramia at the Davis School of Gerontology, the team developed a method to map brain activity to detect concussions that might previously go undetected. While clean rooms sound like parents' hopes for cleaner dorm rooms, in this case, the California Dreams Project, a superhub led by USC, is hosting a clean room course to provide a pathway to ensure that more people can enter semiconductor and microelectronics design manufacturing. And at last, wondering what the USC Viterbi community has been up to since spring? Well, they have been sharing knowledge. Check out the CAM Lab at ICRA, the Center AI for Society presenting on environmental justice and climate migration, and the USC Center for Autonomic Nerve Recording and Stimulation Systems at the 2024 Neuromodulation Symposium. Stay tuned next episode for more news about the USC Viterbi community around the world.